Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go fill this car up with E30. I just got an E30 Tune and I have to change the maps as well. I'm pretty much gonna go through all of that pretty soon. Okay, so I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video and since I filmed a video, which is why it feels a little weird, but on the 1st of January, literally on New Year's, my cousin slash brother, he unfortunately passed away. It was extremely hard to get over that, and I'm still not over it. I just can't stop thinking about that. Like, none of us all expected that. I just took a whole break for myself, and I've been with the family. It's a really sensitive topic, and I just don't want to talk about it. He's in a better place now, I know. Wherever he is, he's doing good. But him not being here, it's really hard to get over that because I really miss him. And honestly, like, him and his little brother was literally my closest family that I had. Besides them, I don't really have family that I'm close to. We all grew up with each other. It's like, I don't know. So I pretty much didn't do anything the first 3 weeks of January. I pretty much took it off, but I'm kind of back now. I'm just thinking more positively, and yeah, and I'm just with the family and reassuring them that everything is okay. Pretty much uploaded a video that I already filmed and everything last year, and I just pretty much just edited it, and that video was supposed to go out on the 2nd. I pretty much uploaded it 2 weeks later, which was I think last week. But yeah, now I'm back with another video, and I'm hoping that everything goes good this year. 2022 was a bad start. I'm hoping everything with you guys are going well as well. Honestly, this taught me a lesson that life is way too short. We pretty much have to live our life like it's the last day on earth. I called everybody that I knew, everybody that I'm close with, and I told them how much I appreciate them. And now I got a new tune from Ryan. Pretty much downloaded it already. So as you guys know, my 91 tune is pretty much done. I was super excited for the E30 tune. So I have 23 miles left. I'm trying to get that down a lot more so that when I do fill up E85 so I can mix it with 91, I do have the right proportions. That's major. I have 10 miles on the dash lift, and now I'm here at the E85 station. So yeah, I was sent these instructions by Ryan, my tuner, and it pretty much says that if you're on empty tank, you put 4 gallons of E85 right here, and you fill it up the rest with regular 91 gas. Sounds not too bad, sounds pretty easy, but yeah, I think the struggle comes in when you have like half a tank, or you have a 3/4 of a tank, because then you just put either 1 or 2 gallons of E85. I know it's a little complicated, but yeah, just hear me out. 91 gas is like $5, but E85 is still cheap. Alright. The pump is a little slow. I mean, it's a little old too, but yeah, we're good. Fill the rest up with 91 gas. It didn't cost too much. It was about $50, and then about $15 with the E85, which is not even bad at all. But yeah, and now I'm gonna show you guys something that's super exciting. I mean, at least for me it is. So who knew that the car has different map slots? And that's pretty cool. Like, you just press this button, and then literally goes, the dial literally goes to 1, and you can change your maps. So I'm gonna press this. I press, it changes up, and you can just press up. That's for E30, and this is for 91, and this is for E30. So I'm gonna do E30. So now it's E30 tune, and now you can just turn it on. And that's pretty much it. I literally learned that today, and I don't know, for me it was super cool to do all that because I never knew the Ecoboost could do that many things. Ryan pretty much sent me an E30 tune and told me to put E30 while putting on the 2nd slot. Ecoboost at this point, bruh. Jesus. Well, I'm not gonna be showing you is the speed down anymore. Because no, that's not safe. I needed the logs to send back to Ryan again because obviously E30 takes more tuning. But oh, that E30 compared to 91, honest opinion, I could feel it. I could feel the extra, whatever it is, 20, 30 horsepower, wheel horsepower, extra on top of the 400 something that this build makes. But yeah, it's pretty noticeable. Okay, fine. Just maybe a little pull, if you guys are satisfied. We're in Mexico. We're in Mexico, by the way. But whoa! What the? Third gear was like topping off at like 110, 120. Yeah. What Ecoboost? What Ecoboost? Jesus Christ! Imagine like the first 6 gears. Like, I'm pretty sure the top speed of this car. Yeah, it's not what it says on Google anymore. So as you guys know, a couple weeks ago, one of my tail lights went out on the Avalon. But this time around, the other one went out. So yeah, enjoy. So yeah, this light is going out. One right here. So if you look on the other side, see? Not too bad. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm heading out to go grab something for the car. It's pretty exciting. I'll show it on the next video. So yeah, just stay subscribed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.